So real quick, how to insert lines, line segments, and rays. You're going to go up to the line tool right here, and if you hit the drop down arrow, it allows you to select a line, which we now know is a line segment, or one with arrows. Let's go ahead and start with a line. So you're going to want to click the one with arrows, and you want to just click, hold, and drag. And as soon as you let go, let's change the thickness of that line so we can see what's going on here to about 3px. You can see that there is an arrow just at one end. I want an arrow at both ends. So I'm going to highlight that line again. And up here you can select if you want your line end to have an arrow or if you want it to have a point. You can also have the start be a point or an arrow. So if I change them both to arrows, I have a line. If I change one to a point, I have a ray. And then if I change both to points, I have a line segment. You can also feel free to change the color of your line up here if you want to make it something that stands out. So there is a line. If I change one to a point, it is a ray. And then if I change them both to points, it is a segment.